Transform your routine workspace into a dynamic powerhouse with Microsoft Teams and integrated third-party apps. Experience seamless collaboration that feels effortless. Integrating apps turns time-consuming tasks into simple workflows, keeping projects moving and teams connected. Start by opening Microsoft Teams. On the left sidebar, click the Apps icon, your gateway to a library of collaborative tools. Use the search bar to find your desired app, such as Trello or Poly. Select the app to view more details. Click Add to begin integration. Follow on-screen prompts to connect your account and set permissions securely. Choose where to add the app, team, channel, or personal. For collaboration, select a channel. Click Setup and configure features as needed. Once integrated, find the app icon in your Channels tab bar. Try posting a message, launching a poll, or linking a project board. Customize notifications, permissions, and tabs for each app to fit your team's workflow. You're now ready to elevate Teams into a centralized hub for your favorite tools. Integrate confidently and watch collaboration thrive.